Señores, mándenme refuerzo. Yo no sé qué pasó, pero mi hijo se explotó. Oh my God. En el operating table, Mr. Nelson Marlin. We are gonna go wax. Can I expose you?
Yes.
It's okay. We're gonna be waxing his chest today, and he is the first client of October. Actually, you're the first client in October. So
I was supposed to be the first client initially.
Initially, but he's the first client in October. So, thank you so much, Nello. Are you ready?
Wow.
Okay, we have the wax. We have everything ready, and enjoy the vlog. You ready for some pain?
Bueno.
Bueno. Anyways, bueno. Enjoy. Thank you so much for hanging. Remember to subscribe. All right? Okay. Que empiece el mambo. ¿Qué dijiste?
Que se suscribe.
Suscríbanse. I didn't record the last part. Mi gente, we finished. Are you alive?
Mira.
Y mi esposo le hizo una sopita de pescado a él.
La sopa de pez está bueno.
Entonces yo le hago, I make you like little pain y después te doy comida. Yeah, but did you like it, no?
Está bueno, sí.
Okay. So
La sopa
el del waxing. No la sopa, el waxing. Sí, mi gente. Pero enjoy your food.
Está bueno.
I just wanted to just hop in and show you guys that I had a client today. And now I'm gonna, well, actually, Zane is sleeping. I forgot. Oh my God, wait. Let me show you guys. You hear that? So yes, mi gente, I have to go back upstairs, clean up. Have to do some other stuff, some restocking. I have to order some more stuff. And then I'll see you guys tomorrow. And bye-bye. Buenas, mi gente. I am back. And I just wanted to come by and show you guys that for those of you who are interested, I also bake carrot cake breads. This is a carrot cake, but in a loaf pan form. And it's so delicious. If you have not tasted it yet, this is your chance. Hit me up. And besides that, they come also with a vegan dip. Very delicious. I got great feedback from it. I'll show you guys the feedback. So if you want to also taste, just hit me up. But I just wanted to come by and show you guys. I have a customer on his way to pick this up, so I'm gonna just wrap it up. But I just wanted to tell you guys that today we're gonna make pandushi. My husband told me, you want pandushi? And I was like, say no more. I was like, say no more. Of course I want pandushi. So we're gonna make pandushi. Okay, mi gente. So as soon as we start getting this stuff ready, I'm gonna tap back in. ¿Se trata pandushi?
No. Agua te come,
Ah,
te come.
Agua te trata pandushi? Exciting. You did that, baby.
Ja man, Picasso.
En toen kon je het uit de douche.
Weet het niet.
Ah, mijn been. Whoa. Very hot. Thank you, baby. Wow. Yes. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Boop. Good night, mi amor. Uy, Dios mío. Buenos días, mi gente. Welcome back to another day. Guys, my phone is damaged. Baby, now my front camera is doing weird. Yeah, wag kong ito basa. And it doesn't matter how much I think it's broken. Oh no. Yes. Yeah, wait a second. Wow. And we continue. Zayn.
Baby's on steroids.
Oh my god, and guys, I need to work. And this guy is just hello. Anyways, mi gente, let me get my day started. Bye. Hey. Nee, not under the table. No. Nee. Vamos a bañarte, papi. Estás sucio. Morning. Morning. Ready to shower, papi? Ready to shower? Bon dia.
Desce que vou mandar ali. Vou mandar por aqui.
Just want to get a cute picture.
Walking away, your words are lost on me.
It's Maxwell like remote. So good. Taste this. Oh my god. Not bad. These are vegan wings, guys. So good. Let me show you this. It's actually cauliflower. It's actually like cauliflower, but so good. I wish the fries were here though. delicious. And that's the Korean style. That's this one.
Walking
The
away.
Korean style barbecue.
Your
Lekker?
words are lost on me. It's taking everything. Not to turn around. Throw it away. See if you'll let go.
I like it.
When you're not holding me.
Iwan ang makain.
I can see it now. Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. I'm up all day, all night, we playing our last fight. Now in hindsight, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. Yeah, kinda hate myself sometimes. Everything was on the line. Didn't wanna be the one who had to say it. No, I can't rewind the time. Promise I'll put down my pride. Don't look back because I mean it when I say it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it.
Vroom, vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom. Ay, ay, baby. Vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom, vroom.
Hey, puppy. Hey, puppy. Hey. Hey. Morning. Hi. Buenos dias, mi gente. Welcome back to another week, another video. Hope you guys are doing amazing. Today's not so cold. Today's very perfect. However, we are. Today's gonna be. Let me put it like this. Woo! Sorry. Okay, mi gente. Gonna enjoy the day at least. My husband just inquired for us to take a walk, so I'm gonna go get ready, get Mr. Sunshine ready, and yeah, enjoy the day. It's beautiful. It's beautiful outside. The sun is shining. Sunshine is poniendo mano. Leave my shoes. Nate. Anyways, mi gente, I'm gonna see you guys over the day. I have a few other stuff to do for the week. Remember, I am uploading now on Wednesdays, so change your schedules. And if you're not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Anyways, let's have a beautiful day. Changes of plan, mi gente, change of plans. We need some pampers, so we are now on our way to el centro de la ciudad, porque Mr. Sunshine cannot be without. The day is not pretty at all. Aw, hola señora. Aw, she's so cute. Hi. We're on the city center, and since my husband needs to work and he works in the city center, we decided let's just head into there and we'll do the walk in the city. Pero mi gente, this is not it. Cold. But anyways, enjoy. change of plans. We have to go, or we're gonna go to the other way. It smells so good here, baby. So, those are the Pampers we ordered. We're just waiting to have them picked up. What do you need, mi amor? Yeah? Okay, I'm gonna stay here. So we're gonna go home now and continue on our day because it's raining. Not cool. Estamos en el carro. Like I said, my husband works in the city, so he just stayed. We got the Pampers. There's like enough for like 2 months or 3 months, I don't know. But either way, I realized I have 2 carrot cake bread orders for this week, so I have to buy the ingredients. I need to bake one tomorrow morning. Actually, they're gonna pick it up before work, and I'm working from home, so I will be able to bake it while at work, so that's gonna work out perfectly. The only thing is my hand, it's a little bit still hurting, so it's gonna be like a very process to just get the baby out. So the vlogging in the supermarket, I won't promise you much because it's gonna be such like a hassle for me to get the baby out. If you have not yet ordered, make sure you place your orders because they're so delicious, especially now with this weather. You can enjoy with some coffee or some tea, with whatever you like. Vamos a hacerlo. And guys, this thing is taking over my life. Like, I cannot even put on my bra. I cannot remove my bra. My husband have to sometimes remove my bra. And if he's not home, I have to, like, with the hand that it does not hurting, then turn it around and try to clip. But I cannot turn. It's so bad. Okay, mi gente, ya nos vamos. And I hope you guys have a beautiful week. Well, now that I'm uploading on Wednesdays, it's gonna be very weird for me to tell you guys like have a beautiful week because Wednesday's already like the, how you say that, the middle of the week. But I hope you guys are having a beautiful week now. And remember guys, I'm uploading now on Wednesdays. Oh, so many cars. Okay, yes, and it's almost Christmas. That's exciting. I'm gonna make sure my Christmas tree is up by November 1st. My husband is like trying to be against it, but I'm gonna win at the end because why not? I finally had my house. I can finally do what I want. Anyways, they have a money hat before I get a fine, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Señores, mándenme refuerzo. Yo no sé qué pasó, pero mi hijo se explotó. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my goodness, puppy. Oh my goodness, what happened? No, quédate ahí. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I have a baby for sale. Oh. No. Quédate down. Don't go close to the couch. Ben. Oh my goodness. Ay, Dios mío. What am I gonna do? Don't touch the couch. Don't touch the couch. No, don't touch the couch. Ben. No. No, don't touch the couch. Ven para acá. Ay, Dios mío. Oh my God. No. Puppy. Oh my God, guys. Puppy, what was in your face? What happened? You were just in your crib. Oh my God! Don't even don't even go there. No. Come, let's go in the bathroom. What happened, puppy? What happened? Oh my God. ¿Qué pasó, papi? ¿Qué pasó? ¡Ah! Ay, Dios mío. Oh my God. Ay, mi gente, déjame resolver déjame resolver esto. Y yo regreso. Oh my God. ¿Qué está aquí? What did you do? Mira cómo estoy con esto. Pero mi gente, I have so much to do. I have clothes to iron. I have the house to clean up. Zane just did a whole incident. And then now he's tired. Yeah, he's tired. Yes, mi amor. Yes. So I am gonna cut today's. Yes, mi corazón. Okay, tell them what. ¿Qué pasó? So I had so much things to do today, but I think I'm gonna just let it be because Mr. Sunshine requires some attention, which I'm gonna give it to him. Mira, Así que I think I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. ¡Ay! Entonces, ¡ay! Okay, mi gente, good night. Oh, it is November 1st. Oh my goodness, November 1st, mi gente. But I am so happy. It is officially holiday season. I just woke up. It is about 6:45. I'm gonna get ready for work. But I didn't get to put up the Christmas tree, but it's okay. I will see. I'm gonna see if maybe tonight after work. So then it's up on next week's vlog. But I really want to start my Christmas shopping early, which I will do. But anyways, mi gente, I hope you guys enjoy this week's vlog. Remember, I will be uploading on Wednesdays. And I have more new content for you guys coming. So lots of sunshine content. He's now walking. So now I will be able to showcase his clothes because I have so many cute outfits for him. But because he wasn't walking before, for me, it made no sense because he's just going to be on the ground. But now that he's walking, I'm able to make videos like what I showed you guys in the vlog. So sunshine content is coming. Maybe on Instagram. Who knows? On TikTok. We'll see. But anyways, mi gente, I hope you guys have a beautiful week or are having a beautiful week. And I'll see you guys next week. Thank you so much for your support. Mwah. Besos. Ciao.